Hey there, soil lovers and green thumbs. Welcome back to Soil Books, your ultimate destination for sustainable gardening tips. Today, I've got an amazing natural fertilizer hack that will completely transform your plants: banana peels. Yes, that's right. Before you throw those banana peels away, stop. Did you know they are a goldmine of nutrients for your plants? By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how banana peels can boost your garden's health, and I'll show you 4 powerful ways to use them effectively. So stick around, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with a quick question. What do you think banana peels contain that makes them great for plants? Is it A. Potassium, B. Phosphorus, C. Calcium, D. All of the above? Drop your answer in the comments below. Now let's find out if you were right. Banana peels are packed with potassium, K, boosts plant growth, strengthens stems, and improves disease resistance. Phosphorus, P, enhances root development and helps with flowering and fruiting. Calcium, C, prevents blossom and rot in tomatoes, peppers, and other crops. Magnesium and manganese essential for photosynthesis. Small amounts of nitrogen and sulfur aid in leafy growth and overall plant health. So if you want healthier, stronger plants that bloom beautifully and produce more fruit, banana peels are your secret weapon. But now the big question: how do you use them? Let's dive into 4 easy methods. 1. Chop and bury, direct soil application. One of the simplest ways is to chop up banana peels into small pieces and bury them directly in the soil near your plants. This method slowly releases nutrients as the peel decomposes, giving your plants a steady nutrient boost over time. Best for tomatoes, roses, peppers, fruit trees. 2. Banana peel tea, liquid fertilizer. Want a quick and powerful fertilizer? Try making a banana peel tea. Here's how. 1. Take 3 banana peels and soak them in a jar of water for 24-48 hours. 2. Strain the liquid and use it to water your plants for an instant nutrient boost. This tea is packed with potassium and phosphorus, making it perfect for flowering and fruiting plants. Best for roses, orchids, strawberries, citrus trees. 3. Banana peel compost, boost your compost pile. Banana peels are compost gold. Adding them to your compost bin enriches your compost with essential nutrients and improves soil fertility. Chop the peels into small pieces to speed up decomposition. Best for any plants that love organic matter. 4. Dry and powder, banana peel fertilizer powder. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-store fertilizer, try this. 1. Dry banana peels in the sun until crispy. 2. Grind them into powder. 3. Sprinkle the powder around your plants or mix it with soil. This powder slowly releases nutrients over time, ensuring your plants get a continuous supply. Best for houseplants, garden beds, potted plants. Now let's answer some common questions. Q. Can I use banana peels for all plants? Yes, but they work best for flowering and fruiting plants like tomatoes, roses, and peppers. Q. How often should I use banana peel fertilizer? Every 2-3 weeks for the best results. Q. Can I blend banana peels into a smoothie for plants? Yes, you can blend peels with water and pour it directly into the soil. Who knew banana peels could be such an amazing free fertilizer for your plants? Instead of throwing them away, let's use them to nourish our soil naturally. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used banana peels in your garden? If yes, what results did you see? Comment below and share your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Soil Books, share this with fellow plant lovers. Until next time, keep growing, keep experimenting, and let nature do its magic. See you in the next video.